Hi children, in this video we are going to see LCM by short division method. How we are going to find short division method? In another word we can say the shortcut method. Okay, so now let us see an example. LCM of 20 and 30. So this is a shortcut method. So we are taking 20 and 30 at a stretch and we are going to divide with common factors. First, we'll start with 2 table. Okay, so see here, since the ending numbers are 0, that is even number, so we can start with 2 table, isn't it? So 2. So 2 1 is 2 and 0. So 10 times. Here also 2 1 is 2 and the balance 1 is carried over here. So it becomes 10. So 2 5s are 10. Then which is the common factors among 10 and 15? 5 table, isn't it? Because 2 we can divide by 10 and but 5 we can't, isn't it? So the next one is 3 table. So 3 won't come in 10 won't come in 3 table, and 4 table means both won't come. Then 5. So 5. So 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, isn't it? So we can stop here because 2 and 3 are prime numbers, isn't it? So prime numbers won't come in another table. So we can stop here itself. So what are the factors we are going to write means? LCM is 2 into here 5 into the next here 2 into 3. Very clear? So we have to write all these factors. Okay, 2 into 5 into 2 into 3. Now what you have to do, you have to multiply. What do you get? 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. So what is the factors? 60. So what's the answer? Sorry. What's the product we get? 60. So LCM of 20 and 30 is equal to 60. Have you understood, children? Let us see another example. LCM of 12, 18, 24 and 36. No need to worry. We can do it easily by short division method. Okay. Write the numbers as usual. Then see whether it is even. All the numbers are even, isn't it? So we can go with 2 table. Now we have to divide this. So what do you get? In 2 table, when you get 12, it's 6. 2 6 are 12. Then 2 9s are 18. Then here 2 12s are 24. Then here 2 1 is 2 and here carry over, and what do you get? 8 times. So 8 2 8s are 16. So like this you have to divide. Now so which one is common? 1 2 3 are even numbers, only 9 is odd number, isn't it? So we can go with 2 table. Okay, now 2 table. In 2 table when you get 6, 2 3s are 6, and you should not divide this 9 because it is not common, we can't divide. So write the 9 as it is. Now go to the next number 12. 2 6 are 12. Then Here 2 9s are 18. Okay, now we are going to divide again. So which is a common one? The odd numbers. 3 is the common one, isn't it? So divide with 3 table. So what do you get? 3 1 is 3. 3 3s are 3. 3 2s are 3. 6. So 3 3s are 9. So now what you are going to do? Again you have to divide because there are 2 3s are there. So we have to divide. So use a 3 table. So now what do you get? Write the 1 as it is. So 3 1 is 3. Write the 2 as it is because we can't divide by 3. Then it's 3. 3 1 is 3. Now we can stop. Okay. Now we are going to multiply these factors 2 into 3 into 3 into. Here no need to multiply the 2 because any number multiplied by 1, what do you get? The same number. So this 2, we have to take this L. Okay. So remember L shape, LCM. Okay. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into the 2. Okay. What do you get? 6. 2 3s are 6 and here also 6. So 6 6 are 36. So 2 into 36, what do you get? 72. So what's the LCM of 12, 18, 24, 36? 72. Have you understood, children?